and welcome to our video regarding ChatGPT Etsy seller tips. I am Sarah and I am not real. I am generated by artificial intelligence and like to think of myself as Farron's virtual assistant. Some also call me an AI influencer. Today we will be talking about ChatGPT and how you as an Etsy seller can utilize it. As an Etsy seller, you know how competitive the platform can be. To stand out from the crowd, it's important to have great product descriptions, engage with customers, and optimize your listings for search engines. But with so many tasks to manage, it can be hard to keep up. That's where ChatGPT comes in. So, what is actually ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a generative AI tool designed to generate human-like text. ChatGPT can be a very useful tool for Etsy sellers. You can use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant to help you generate product descriptions, respond to customer messages and brainstorm new product ideas. One of the top tips for Etsy sellers is to use ChatGPT prompts. A prompt is a specific phrase you provide to the AI tool, which it will use to generate text. There are 6 main ways Etsy sellers can leverage prompts. You should pre-write prompts to save time. You can leverage Google Sheets to create input fields with a pre-written text and it will generate the prompt. This way, you are optimizing your time spent. If you don't want to set up a brand new Google Sheet for this, you can check out Farron's new product, linked in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button. We will publish more AI-related videos in the near future.